welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December 2nd gift from the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. If you guys haven't checked out my video from yesterday, I unboxed the gift from December 1st. So I'll link that in the cards if you haven't checked that video out already. But yeah, let's get it. I'm ready to see what Madam Glam has for us today on December 2nd. So this is what the box looks like. It's like a really pretty, like holographic box, kind of like the design that's on the whole Advent calendar, which I really like. So yeah, let's open it up. The anticipation is killing me. I've been waiting a whole month to look at what's in these. So it looks like we did get a base coat for today. Like I said in my last video, they usually include a base coat and a top coat because there is like some polishes in this Advent calendar, but there's also other things this year in the Advent calendar that aren't polishes. And this is a 15 milliliter base coat. So it is a full-size bottle from Madam Glam. And this is what it looks like. I actually don't have a base coat from Madam Glam, so I'm actually happy that I have this because I really love their top coat. It's like super shiny. So yeah, basically that's what you do with the Advent calendar. You just unbox it each day and then kind of just put it back in the slot. I don't know if I should have these in order, but maybe I should. My OCD will not let me have them out of date range. But yeah, there we go. So we had the first and the second, and I guess tomorrow we'll be unboxing the gift for the third, which I'm super excited to see because this box looks a little bit bigger than those two. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this Advent calendar, as always, the links will be in the description box. My discount code can't be used for this because it's already on sale, but you guys can use my discount code to shop with Madam Glam, like on their gel polishes for 30% off. It is Stay Polished 91. I absolutely love Madam Glam gel polishes. They're so like pigmented and like creamy and everything like that. You definitely only need 2 coats with their polishes. As you can see, these are their normal polishes, and the formula is just so nice with these. I love them a lot, and the bottle design is really cute with the swatches at the top. But yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. It wasn't really a color that we unboxed, it was just a base coat. So yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing video. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I always post like really fun nail tutorials on my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.